Really, if you talk about Wayanad disaster, it is heartbroken and very horrified incident. And we cannot bring back all the lives who lost. But at least here we are to show our sympathy and concern and support, whatever way it be. And people should come forward. So I urge everyone, please, this is a time where you have to show your humanitarian and come forward and be stand, give the moral support. The way, however you want, whatever way you want, please come forward and be with the people of Kerala, especially Wayanad area, and please do support. And at this point of time, I want to appreciate and admire and show my gratitude towards those forces like a Navy and Army, like police of Kerala and fire services and medical and doctors and everybody came forward and did their the best to save, to reduce the risk of lives and all these things. Definitely I will appreciate to each and every one. And the way our Honorable Chief Minister, he reacted, he worked on this, and the way he showed his work and everything, really, it is well appreciated. I'm telling to him now, the way he did, fantastic job. And I heard day after tomorrow, Mr. Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister is coming, and I will request this Wayanad disaster should be recognized as a national calamity. That will be very helpful to the state of Kerala and especially the Wayanad victims. So, and those people who stood behind these people of victims and sufferers, I will appreciate all the sisters and brothers of Kerala. I love them, and my heartfelt support, concern, my gratitude will be, my sympathies will be with them. God bless. God bless God's own land.
So we are all happy to see you here. What made you to come here to Kerala to see you here?
See, in the TVs, when I happened to see this Wayanad incident, those clippings, really it was heartbroken, and I'm terribly upset. The second and third, I couldn't see that much of horrible scenes I saw, and I thought this is a time where, despite it is our place or Kerala or other state, no, all of us, we are Indians. This is a time to react and extend our helping hand. Sorry, may not be it is huge amount, whatever it is. Please, everyone should come forward. That's what I urge everyone. And I came forward, and my son Ramcharan also very touched. He happened to be in LA. After Paris, he went to LA. That's the reason he could come. And he told me, don't wait for me. As soon as possible, you please go and give that money to the CM's Relief Fund. And I come here.
What was the interaction between England and CM?
Oh yeah, this CM Saab, I know him very well long back. Where I was a tourism minister, union tourism minister at that time, he came to me and asked for budget, allocate the funds for the development of tourism to this God's own land, Kerala. That's how I could be able to sanction some amount at that time as far as the tourism is concerned. That's how we used to interact. And then next, when me and Sachin Tendulkar, when we inaugurated Kerala Blasters, that time I have come here, and again through him only we inaugurated Trivandrum. And very quite often, of course, we used to meet. I know him very well. He loves me, and I used to admire his work and the way he proactive for all these things. Especially now, evidently seen the way he came forward to reduce the risk of this Wayanad incident, calamity. Thank you very much. Thank you, friends. Thank you.